The Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority today organized a mock earthquake preparedness exercise in all the 12 districts of Meghalaya. The exercise aimed to test the disaster response preparedness of the district administration and other stakeholders involved in disaster management. In Shillong, the mock drill started with a siren given by the Deputy Controller, Shillong. The activity was carried out in and around Polo area. In Jawai, the mock drill was held at Yapi Shopping Complex, Bharat Petrol Pump, Gate Laban Presbyterian School, Mission Compound, Jawai. A relief camp was also set up in the hall of Dorbar Shnong Lion Mission Compound locality, Jawai. In Nongston, the drill began with a siren and district officials swiftly activated emergency response protocols. A relief and medical camp is set up at St. Peter's Higher Secondary School playground, Pindang Ray to provide timely medical assistance and the distribution of relief materials. The exercise also took place in Southwest Garo Hills.